Welcome. The best aim of education is the holistic development of children. The changes in the society like urbanization, technological advancement, and the effects of mass media has led to the need that school should not only be for the nurturing cognitive development of its student, but also for the fostering their affective and psychomotor abilities which would equip them for life. Samakra Siksha. Samakra Siksha enhances that education imparted in school should be in such a way that learners will be able to develop their talents to their fullest potential. By placing equal importance to both scholastic and co-scholastic abilities, it would enhance the ability to take responsibility for self, build a relationship with others in the society, and contribute in nation building. These skills can be enhanced only through experimental rather than theoretical approach. Under Samakra Siksha in the year 2019 and 20, for the first time, grant for youth and eco club for primary to secondary level has been provided. This provision has been made in Samakra Siksha for government school students to have fun and productive while meeting with the friends and to make positive impact on their local community and the world. Objectives and activities of Youth and Eco Club. The objectives and activities of Youth and Eco Club framed in such a manner that students can excel in their skills as per their choice and abilities in the clubs. The learning enhances their capability to fight the challenges in their future life. The activities of Youth and Eco Club. Eco Clubs in school. Eco clubs in school will empower the students to participate and take up meaningful environmental activities and projects. It is a forum through which the students can reach out to influence, engage their parents and neighborhood communities to promote sound environmental behavior. It will empower the students to explore environmental concepts, actions beyond the confines of a syllabus or curriculum. While everyone everywhere asserts the importance of learning to live sustainability, environment remains a peripheral issue in the formal school system. Inauguration of Youth and Eco Club, Government Higher Secondary School, Vattakal Mandapam, Coimbatore. Youth and Eco Club has been inaugurated by the respectable member of Legislative Assembly of our area, Thiru Yettimade A. Sanmugam Avargal. The inauguration of Youth and Eco Club, not only a mere inauguration, the club have been provided with gardening tools and equipments to maintain our garden. And also they have been provided with cleaning tools and equipment to clean our school campus. Youth and Eco Club activities. The District Eco Club Coimbatore, Youth and Eco Club GHS Vattakal Mandapam, Alumni Association of Coimbatore, PSG Institute of Technology jointly conducted a special program called Forest of the Students. The main objective of this is to create students-made tree saplings and to plant them in the river and pond areas of Coimbatore district on World Environmental Day. We have planned to create actually 10,000 saplings with the help of our students and club members along with the nearby school children of nearly 200 students, parents and youth community. With them, our school NSS, NGC, Scout and JRC members were joined and started to create free saplings. The saplings made were maintained and grown in our school campus, finally planted in students' neighborhood and school area, river and pond area of Coimbatore district. It is a huge and successful program which is very useful to connect the school children with the youth community. It also found to be the promoting program for the development of leadership qualities among the students and the youth. In this program, our former district educational officer Trimadi Mrs. Sublashmi Avargal and environmental activist Mr. O.C. Kalidas participated and encouraged, advised the students in Youth and Eco Club. COVID-19 awareness program by Youth and Eco Club and hand washing demonstration. Our school is one of the government examination center. Several school children are writing their examination at our school. During COVID-19 pandemic period, COVID-19 threat has been dispersed throughout the world. So our school Youth and Eco Club initiated programs to promote hand washing awareness program on COVID-19. By this, importance of maintaining social distance, importance of wearing mask and awareness program on COVID-19 conducted by Eco Club volunteers. And also the proper method of hand washing demonstrated to the students. Youth and Eco Club activity, plantation drive in nearby residential area. Our school club has pledged to hold a plantation drive periodically in and around school area, continuing with its tradition of preserving environment and having eco-friendly activities. The Eco Club of GHS Othakal Mandapam organized a major tree plantation drive in residential society of Fort Nagar, Charan Residency, Sriram Avenue and Teachers Colony in Othakal Mandapam under the guidance of Assistant Headmaster of the school Mr. P. Murthy and coordinator of the club Mr. M. Lidwin. The students gained an invaluable experience from these activities. They gained knowledge about the different species of the plants and also got to know about the procedure of planting trees. All in all, the event has served many purposes, that is to educate the youth, contribution to the betterment of nature, skill development and reminiscence. Nearly 100 saplings planted in and around the residential area of Othakal Mandapam. Maintenance of school cleanliness by Youth and Eco Club volunteers. The cleanliness of our school, our restroom and water tanks are already monitored by NSS volunteers in our school. Now the student members of Youth and Eco Club are also playing their role effectively in this field. Periodical cleaning of water tanks and restroom are being ensured by volunteers. To support their activities, our alumni students contributed cleaning material and containers for maintaining clean campus in our school. With this help, our students are able to do excellent work on waste management also. Now our students are maintaining bio-manure process also in our campus. Our alumni students gifted 2 electrical incinerators for our girls' restroom purpose. The volunteers of Eco Club explaining about the method of using incinerators to our school girl children. The future projects of Youth and Eco Club of our school is the construction of 2,500 square feet of greenhouse and also the separate medicinal herb garden is under construction. All the activities will fulfill the students' desire to have joyful learning and be productive while meeting with friends and to make positive impact on their local environment and the country. So thanks to Samagra Shiksha. Thank you for watching.